Amen, somebody?
Amen.
It has come to my notice that our ladies in this church, they marry outside other churches. Now, I am putting an end to that nonsense. You must marry from this church.
Amen.
If you are a woman here and you are aged for marriage, stand up. Also, if you are a man here and you are aged for marriage, stand up.
Jesus!
We must marry today because I want to marry.
What?
Brother Stephen, go and sit down. No, you are too good to marry. They have to marry us first.
Oh no!
If they don't marry us, who will marry us?
Nobody.
Oh yeah, go and make a choice. Let's go.
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this.